Prasar Bharati, in collaboration with National Book Trust India, presents Story Lounge on All India Radio.
Contrary to popular perception, reading habits are not on the wane due to multiple sources of information emerging on digital platforms. Yet, book publishing is on a downslide. This ultimately affects people who are on the wrong side of the digital divide and cannot afford new gadgets. To support them, Prasar Bharati and National Book Trust have come together to promote books over the radio, which is an affordable medium in the context of our socio-economic milieu.
A bouquet of stories in Story Lounge. In our program Story Lounge, we present a story about two creeper flowers. The difference in their attitude to each other as they grew up in life and makes the story, finally leading to a healthy friendship. The story is entitled Neelu and Pilu, authored by
Son, a creeper grows faster than any other plant. Listen to this. Manu turned to his mother. Okay, Ma, then I will take these big creepers. Papa, please take these for me. Nursery wala said, No, you will not be able to take these, beta. These are here for years and these are too big to be taken. But yes, I will give you some baby creepers. How many would you like to take? Then he showed many potted baby creepers in a corner. Manu chose two beautiful plants. His parents helped him to plant those together in front side of their house. Soon, monsoon arrived. Both the creepers started to grow faster and faster. One day, when Manu returned from school, he noticed first flowers on both. One had yellow flower and other had a blue one. That day, he named both the creepers Pilu, the yellow one, and Neelu, the blue one. Initially, both were looking the same, but somehow Neelu started growing faster than Pilu. This made her confident and dominating. At times, Pilu felt bad about this. Pilu also wanted to grow tall, but whenever she tried to spread her branches and tendrils, Neelu blocked her way. Wherever Pilu wanted to grow, Neelu stopped her. Neelu was enjoying her spread. She had forced Pilu not to stand tall or spread naturally. Stop! Hey, not here! Let me see how you dare to grow! Neelu blocked all the spaces and possibilities for Pilu. For Pilu, it was very suffocating and painful. She used to feel like a prisoner. She wanted to call out for Manu, but he was not there in town. But as they say, not all the days are same. One day, a cow came in. She liked the soft green leaves of Pilu and lovely blue flowers. She tugged at its all branches. Neelu resisted, but what could she do? She was just a creeper. She cried helplessly. Neelu's All widespread branches were cut and destroyed. Flowers, birds, all dead. Badly wounded Neelu was now in a very sorry state. She fell down on earth, and all of a sudden, Pilu saw sunshine over her head. After a very long time, she could see the sky and clouds, birds and kites. Finally, she could breathe. She could stand tall. Pilu had got an opportunity to reach out for the stars. Pilu started growing faster and faster. But did Pilu forget Neelu? No, she looked down where Neelu was lying. Pilu gave her a helping hand. Neelu was feeling very guilty and ashamed. And also, she was very hesitant. But she realized that Pilu was her true friend. "I'm sorry, Pilu," Neelu said. Pilu did not say anything but held Neelu's hand. This story of a beautiful friendship between two plants is based on true incidents as told by Manu.
You were listening to Story Lounge, produced by the World Service of All India Radio on behalf of Prasar Bharati in association with National Book Trust, India.
Story Lounge comes to you every day, same time, same channel.